Alright, so we're going to put this on. There's a couple things you're going to need: 2 1/2-inch wrenches, some thread lock, Loctite, whatever the fuck it is you want to use. It's pretty self-explanatory on how you're going to do this. So let's get started. Helps if we start off the right way. There it is. Right there. Looking did it again. Alright. I want these son of bitches to point backwards. So for now, we're just going to thread these on. And yeah, I'm going to have to take it off because I didn't prepare it, but I want to make sure it sits. So now that I know that's going to fit inside there, I want to go ahead and Loctite up the other. And I don't like to be shy with it. So, to each their own. Alright, we'll get that adjusted, get it all situated in there, and we'll be back.